Welcome to another Meditate with me. It's the middle of a busy holiday period. Perhaps you are celebrating with friends and family, maybe visiting other places, countries, or perhaps spending the time by yourself. So it's a good moment to take a minute and just allow yourself to rest as well. Some of us may have been cooking, cleaning, taking care of others, bringing gifts and shopping, and maybe forgetting ourselves in this process. So I hope you will enjoy taking a bit of a break and rest in the middle of holidays. Starting as always by finding a comfortable position, sitting, standing. You can stretch and make sure that your feet are firmly placed on the ground. If possible, wrap yourself in a warm blanket or have a warm sweater if it's a cold season, wherever you are. Just making sure the body is comfortable so you can fully relax and rest. And then you can decide to close the eyes or keep the eyes open, whichever is most comfortable to you. In my case, I will put my glasses away so that I can relax fully. And when you're ready and comfortable, start taking few deep breaths. Just slow, light and deep breaths can help us settle, can help the body to relax and arrive in the present moment. Couple more deep breaths in and slow breaths out. Now I invite you to shift your attention to your body and noticing the position of the body in space. Perhaps sensing the way the feet or legs are touching the surface you're on, the connection with the ground, with the floor. Noticing how safe and secure it feels to be carried by the planet. Noticing sensations in the legs, up to the hip. Letting the legs relax, be heavy. Moving up the spine and the back. paying attention to the muscles in the shoulders, in the arms, and releasing any tension that may be there. Letting the arms and hands be heavy, relaxed. Letting the chest and belly expand with each breath, softening the belly so that it can inflate fully with the inhale. And letting the jaw drop, relax. The face muscles, especially those behind and around the eyes, to soften. And for a moment of silence, simply resting in whatever relaxation you are feeling, in whatever calm there is. There may still be some thoughts racing. There may be some tension left. It's not a problem. You can just relax and rest. Gently following the breathing, or just paying attention to sensations in the body that are pleasant, neutral, like in the hands or feet. And if you notice that your mind has started spinning around some thoughts, emotions, no need to judge it or push these distractions away. In this seasonal time, in this time of holidays, our minds are usually busy planning or remembering, and it may be more difficult to focus. It may be more difficult to rest and slow down. So just be gentle and kind to yourself. Simply giving yourself time, a little gift of presence. And you don't have to do it perfectly. With the next breath, you can return to the sensations in the body, to breathing, to sounds, and relax again. You deserve this rest, this moments of kindness, relaxation, calm. You can treat yourself today and any other day. And if it's helpful to you, perhaps placing a hand on your chest, in the heart area, and feeling the warmth of your hand will bring some comfort and kindness, friendliness to whatever you're feeling or thinking right now. May you have a wonderful time of rest and relaxation during the holiday season, and may you find peace and calm. Be friendly towards yourself. Open your heart to all the different positive qualities that you desire. May you take time to take care of yourself. Give yourself a gift of rest, of peace, so that you can return to others, to your responsibilities and activities with more energy. You can choose your own words that you would like to wish for yourself, keeping the hand on your chest, just quietly whispering in your mind, staying with breathing and the body for a short moment longer, resting and relaxing. There's nowhere you need to go, nothing to do. You can be in this present moment, resting, relaxing, giving yourself a gift of time, friendliness, compassion, love. And before we finish today, slowly, gently move your fingers and toes, perhaps stretch. If your eyes were closed, you can open them now. Slowly return to your surroundings. Looking around, feeling the body being present and hopefully a bit more rested. And ready to tackle whatever's next on your list. I hope you enjoyed this short, restful practice. Have wonderful holidays. Take care and goodbye for now.